Hey guys, it's Miss Casbaro again here for math, and we have some fun things planned for you today. The focus today for our main math lesson will be subtraction again, so make sure you have your pencil and your paper ready. And as always, if you don't have it, you can use your magic finger. I hope you enjoy. All right, I know you love seeing this bright pink piece of paper, but we're going to keep practicing because that's what we do. We keep practicing every day. So today, for counting to 100, we're going to start from a random number, and random means any. So today, let's start from 73. So 73 has 7 as the first number and 3 as the second number. So it has 7 sets of 10 and 3 more. Can you find 73? 73 is right here. So we're going to count all the way across in the row and come back down here and go all the way to 100. So 73, are you ready? 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Perfect job, boys and girls. Okay, for Math Journal tonight, we have a problem, and let's read it together. Draw a square. Label its sides. How many vertices does a square have? So it seems pretty simple, but there's some things that we really haven't talked about in kindergarten yet. So let's go through this step by step together. So the first thing we have to do is to draw a square. We can all do that. We know a square has how many sides? That's right, 4. It's okay if your square is not perfect. What's important is that you tried your best. You notice that I took my time and tried to do it to make it all perfect, but it's okay if it's not. Now it says label its sides. We've not really labeled anything in math yet. So this is asking us to take all 4 of its sides and we can label it with a number or a letter like side A, side B, side C, and side D, or numbers, side 1, side 2, side 3, or side 4. I think I'm going to do letters. So I'm going to start at the top, and this could be square, or side A, side B, side C, and side D. That wasn't too bad. How many vertices does a square have? And this is that big word that we've already talked about a couple times in math on these videos. But vertices means corners. It's just a fancy way of saying corners. So how many corners does the square have? Let's put circles in, or little dots, in all of our vertices. How many vertices did you find in your square? Hopefully just 4, because if it's more than 4, it's not a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to write out my answer. 4 vertices. Perfect job. Boys and girls, if something is confusing that we talk about here, have your parents or whoever you're staying with just send us a message on YouTube or on Dojo, and we will be more than happy to help explain it to you better, because I know these videos go kind of fast and math class in school is a lot longer than these videos. So if something doesn't make sense, know that that is okay and that we are here to help you and you will be successful. Okay, here is our math worksheet today. And it would take you some time to go and color or draw boxes and number bonds just like mine, so you don't have to worry about doing that right now. So just let's pay attention and let's focus together. The first thing that we need to do is read the directions, because that's important, because we might not know what we're supposed to do. So let's read the directions together. The squares below represent cube sticks. Represent means to show. So the squares below show or mean cube sticks. So these are what they're talking about. This is a cube stick. Kind of looks like a stick, long and straight, right? Draw a line from the cube stick to the matching number bond. Fill in the number bond if it isn't complete. So if the number bond has a part missing or the hole missing, then that's our job to fill it in. But you can notice that some of them are done for us, so we have to play a matching game. I really hope you can help me, mathematicians. So let's look at our first stick. We need to figure out how many we have as a whole. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And all of my number bonds have a whole of 9, so it could be any of them. But what else do you notice, or what else do you see? I see 2 are not shaded. And how many is this? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So to help me remember, I'm going to write 7 and 2. So now I need to find a number bond that matches a part that has 7 and a part that has 2. And it's right here. So I know that if I take 9 and take away these 7, if I can take them away, I'm left with 2. Or if I have my whole entire stick of 9 and I take away, if I can take away those 2, I'm left with 7. So we can break the 9 up into 2 ways. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Or 9 minus 2 equals 7. All right, let's keep going. I have my whole as 9, and I can tell that it's the same size. And I know it's 9 because we're working with the whole of 9. But let's see what parts I have. I can tell that this part that's not shaded or not colored in is 1. So I'm going to label it since we're labeling things tonight. Then I need to figure out how many are shaded or colored in. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to put an 8 right there. So I have my part as 8 and a part that is 1. Now this one was straight across, but does this number bond match this stick? No, so we need to keep looking. Oh, I have my number bond, instead of being on the side or up and down, is upside down. My whole is 9, and I have one part filled in that's 8, and one part that's missing, and what's going to go there? 1. So 9, take away this one piece, leaves me with how many? If I take away this piece, how many does it leave me with? That's right, 8. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Or 9, my whole stick of 9, taking away all of these 8 pieces leaves me with how many left over? That's right, 1. So 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So now I have to draw a line. Awesome. Let's keep going. Oh, sorry. I know my whole is 9 minus something. Can you see without counting how many that is? That's right, 3. Now let's figure out how many is left. How many are not shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which number bond on the right matches this matchstick? This one right here at the very bottom. One part is filled in with the number 3, which we have that was shaded. What's my other part? Remember, part, whole. So I take a part away, and I'm left with my other part of the number 6. So I can take 9 minus 3, and it leaves me with, or I have a remainder, what's left over, of 6. Perfect. I have 9 minus 6 equals 3, and 9 minus 3 equals 6. Let's do this last one. Now, I bet you can figure out which number bond is going to equal to, but we still have to do the work because we don't give up. How many is my whole? That's right, 9. How many is this? Let's count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many is over here that's not shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So I have my last number bond to draw a line to match. And I know that part of my whole is 4 and part of my whole is 5 that's not shaded. So let's make some math sentences. 9 minus 4 gives me my part of 5. And I'm going to write over here because I'm running out of room. 9 minus 5, these 5, leaves me with how many? Yep, 4. So our math sentence, 9 minus 4 equals 5, and 9 minus 5 equals 4. Okay, boys and girls, I hope that you are washing your hands and staying safe, and most importantly, learning lots and having a great time. We will talk to you soon. Bye.